Hello, welcome to ECS Rentals. Today I will be showing you what comes in the Fluke multi-tester when you rent it. You get a power cord, the testing cables, and you get the manual with some software stuff, the actual tester itself, and a strap if you're going to be holding on to it for ages, and some prongs for the different testers, and some clamps, and another cable. When you rent the Fluke multi-tester, it'll come fully charged. To turn it on, you just push the little green button here and it'll turn on. You've got the little modes here depending on what you are wanting to test. And when you're ready to test, you push the little white button here. You've got the little inputs here that you put the leads in, and then so you put it in like that, put that like that, and then test. And it'll come up on the little screen there, and when you're done, take it out like so, and when you're ready to turn it off, just push the little green button again and it'll turn off. When you're done using the Fluke multi-tester, just put everything back in the carry case as it came. Once you're finished using the Fluke multi-tester and it's all back in its carry case, please send it back to us. And thank you for choosing ECS Rentals.